Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaytanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. قال الله تعالى في سورة الأنعام وإذ قال إبراهيم لأبيه آزر أتتخذ أصناما آلهة إني أراك وقومك في ضلال مبين. Translation: And mention when Ibrahim said to his father Azar, "Do you take idols as your gods? Verily I see you and your people are strayed in clear error." Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned in the previous ayahs the importance of Tawheed and the hazards of polytheism and shirk, and also mentioned that those who are going away from the path of Islam are the wrongdoers. And in this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning about the great muwahid and the great prophet Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. And Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam is mentioned at many places in Quran with Tawheed, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning Ibrahim alayhi salam here so that the Muslims can understand the importance of Tawheed and oneness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And also they should understand that if there are people who are away from the Tawheed and who are doing the crime of shirk, how should they be preached and how should they be called towards the guidance and towards the truth? How should Muslim do their job of inviting towards Islam, but at the same time they should mention that they are not impressed at all and they are not liking the polytheism and the shirk, and the Muslim must believe in the oneness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and must depend absolutely on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and must be afraid of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and must be sincerely following the commands of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In the books of Tafsir, the father of Ibrahim alayhi salam, he is mentioned as a person whose name was Tariq, but the name Azar could be his laqab, and some mentioned that Azar was the name of an idol, and this person was involved in the worship of this idol and taking care of this idol, so his laqab was made as Azar. Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam is asking his father that what a big mistake you are doing, that you are creating these idols with your hands and then you are worshipping these idols. You and your people are strayed in clear error, and indeed this is one of the biggest sin, to worship anything other than Allah. And when these people were worshipping idols that were made by themselves is a clear proof of being astray. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran and make us steadfast on 100% Tawheed. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.